Hey, it's Patrick, and today I want to talk to you about twin power oil change kits. When it comes to doing maintenance on your bike, an oil change should be at the top of your to-do list for keeping your bike running smooth. And Twin Power has made that easy by kitting up everything you're going to need into one package. Now, this is going to be for Harley Davidsons from 84 and on, meaning Evo twin cam, Sportsters, and Milwaukee 8 models. They have you covered in all of those fitments. These are going to range from $45 to about $85, depending on what you get in the kit. So let's break down the kits just a little bit. You can just get the oil change kit, which comes with oil and a chrome filter, or you can get what they call the complete kits. This is going to be for more of your 5,000 or 10,000 mile services where you change the transmission and the primary fluid. You're going to get transmission fluid, primary fluid, another chrome oil filter, and oil. Now you can get these in either a conventional mineral-based oil or a synthetic oil. The transmission fluid is always going to be semi-synthetic, and the primary fluid is always going to be mineral-based. If you have a Sportster, you're just going to get the one fluid that goes in the primary and the transmission together. That's going to make it a little bit cheaper, whereas like the baggers, where it takes more fluid, that's on the $85 end of that scale with the synthetics. Otherwise, you're going to get everything you need to do this job in your garage. Takes all the hassle out of wondering how much oil do I order, so on and so forth. If you have any more questions about these kits, feel free to click on that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specifications about these kits. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, budget, and riding style. I'm Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.